Good morning, boys and girls. Today is day 10 of our distance learning. The date today is March 26th. It is a Thursday. Can you count to 26 with me, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Very good. So today is March 26th. It is a Thursday. Let's sing the 7 days of the week. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And we are in the month of March. Let's do the 12 months of the year. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Hooray, hooray. September, October, November, December. These are the months that I remember. Very good. Today, I would like to share with you a special piece of artwork that I received through email. This is a bumblebee that was colored and cut out by Chase. Great job, Chase. And boys and girls, please remember you can send me any of your artwork or pictures of any of the projects that you're working on through email, or if you'd like to send them in with your packets, we'll make sure to show them in the morning. Right now, I welcome you. We're going to be welcoming actually a new visitor to our daily post. It is Crystal Ball. Can you please say welcome, Crystal Ball?
Magic, magic, magic ball, please help me to see them all. Shine your light so nice and bright. Tell me now who's in my sight. I see Carson and Savannah B. and Adeline. Good morning. And I see Patty. And I see Ellie. And I see Diane. And I see Sydney. Good morning, everyone. We'll see who the ball lets me see tomorrow. For now, it's time for weather. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? Is it rain? Or is there sun? Today, it will be partly cloudy. That means some sun, some clouds. Should be a nice day, though, I hope. Have a great day, everybody. I miss you all, and we'll see you again tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.
We enjoyed our new visitor. Crystal will be joining us every day to see who she sees in her magic crystal ball, and she will also be giving us the weather. And I bet you know who she is. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to give you a second right now if you can pause the video and get a piece of paper and some coloring, either some crayons or markers, and you can draw with me. Welcome back. We are going to start by drawing a wiggly line across the page. That will be our soil line, because this week we're learning about plants. There are 4 main parts of the plant. There is the stem that holds the plant up. Then there are the roots that run under the ground, and the job of the roots is to soak up the water and the nutrients and bring that food right up into the plant. So we have roots, we have a stem. The third part of a plant are the leaves. I'm going to draw this plant with 2 leaves that are shaped like this. You can make your leaves any shape you like, but the job of the leaf is to collect the sunlight, and that helps to make more food for the plant. The last part of the plant I'm going to draw today is the blossom or the flower. And in the center of the blossom is where seeds grow so that new flowers can grow from the first one that was there. So we have 4 parts of the flower. We have the blossom that attracts the bumblebees and the butterflies and creates the seeds for new plants. We have the stem that holds the plant up. We have the leaves that collect the sunlight and the roots that grow underground that help to collect water and nutrients for the plant and also help to keep the plant grounded so it doesn't blow away or wash away in heavy storms. So please send me some pictures and color them of all of your favorite flowers that you see. I would love to receive them. Today I have a plant that you probably saw in my video yesterday. This is a little weed from the garden, and you can see that it has the stems and the leaves. It even has little flowers that have started to grow already. And down here at the bottom, there are some roots. So we have roots, stem, leaves, and flowers. And another plant that I showed you yesterday in my garden, an old one from last year, is the fennel plant. And you can see that this stem is much, much, much longer, much thicker. The leaves are very dried out because they were from last year, and the blossoms are gone. There's no blossoms left. And then at the very bottom, we see these very, very thick roots. This plant holds very strongly to the ground. And these are the roots that grow underground that soak up water and nutrients. Maybe today you'll have a chance to go for a hike or a little walk with your family, or even check in your backyard to see if you can find some plants growing around. See if you can name the stem, the leaves. If you can find the roots, that would be great. And even better if you can find some plants that have flowers on them already. Okay, just a quick review of today's exercises on the papers. We have the number 5, and to make the number 5, you're going to do 2 steps. First step is you are going to start on the dot, go down, around like a circle or a backward C, and then a straight line across the top. That is the number 5. You will draw the 5s, color just the number 5s, and then cut out these letters and glue them in place to write the word 5. On this sheet right here, you are going to trace, it asks you to spin, but just get a dice and roll instead. Every time that you roll a number 3, you will trace the number 3. Every time you roll the number 5, you'll trace the number 5 until, and keep doing this until all of the numbers are traced. The third sheet is writing the letter C. And what we'll do for the letter C, whether it's a lowercase or uppercase, is we start here on the dot and we go back, around, and there. So it's almost a full circle, but not closed. The fourth sheet we have today is being a spy. You're going to put those spy eyes on and find all of the letter C's. They might be capital C's or lowercase c's, and I want you to use a crayon or a marker and color in every bubble that has the letter C. Finally, the last page is rhyming, so we're looking for words that sound very similar. Like here we have cat, hat. They both have the at sound in them. Cat, at, hat, at. Those are rhyming words. Because they rhyme, you will color the circle with the smiley face. Right here we have 2 pictures. These words do not rhyme. It's the word apple and clock. They don't have that same sound in them. So we will color the sad face here. If they rhyme, you color in the circle with the smiley face. If they don't rhyme, you color in the circle with the sad face. today there will be a song that you can go on YouTube and listen to a song that has to do with the parts of the plant. And finally, I'm going to read you today, before we go, chapter 2 of The Garden Monster, the book we started yesterday. Remember, the two little children were planting a garden together, and they were hoping to be able to enter it in the contest at the end of the year. But at the end of chapter 1, we found out that there may be a garden monster. Chapter 2, Trouble. We counted the days. 2 days, 4 days, 8, all of the days that came next. Our garden was growing, and tiny green strings popped up with tiny shiny leaves. One day we saw a fat green stem in the middle of the garden. It had a huge leaf. "What's that?" I asked. Jim shrugged his shoulders. He looked nervous. "Uh-oh," I said. Another night I looked out the window, and the moon peeked from behind the clouds. Then I saw a big shadow creeping out in our garden. Was it the monster who grew huge plants, like the one in Jim's book? I jumped back in bed. I pulled the covers over my head. "Help, Fiercely," I whispered, but Fiercely didn't come. Remember Fiercely the dog? The next morning, Jim arrived. I told him about the monster, and we crept out slowly to look at our plants. We were ready to run in if we had to. The plant in the middle was growing fast. Now it had 2 gigantic leaves. One leaf was half eaten. We saw a big, fat footprint. "Oh no," we said together. "The monster was here. We better build an enormous scarecrow right now," I said. We ran into the shed. We stuffed pants and a shirt with straw, and we gave our scarecrow a great tin can head. "This will scare away the monster for sure," I said. "Grrr," said Fiercely. I hope you're enjoying the story. Tomorrow we will read chapter 3. So boys and girls, I just want to say thank you for all the hard work that you're doing at home, working on your papers, going to the sites that we're doing, and even doing special projects. Please keep sending pictures of them. I love to see them. I miss you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.